Welcome back in the kitchen again with Chef Ricardo. Juice bar and salad bar. Anyway, cheer me. Here it is. See this thing? Don't take it too lightly. It have a lot of benefit. Whole heap of benefit, guys. Anyway, you can do your own research and cheer me. Alright? I'm going to be making a drink from it today. You can use cold water or you can use hot water. It doesn't matter which one you want to use. Drink it in the morning and drink one at night. I love to drink it in the morning because it just detoxing me, and you know, yeah, as I said in my video before, these natural ingredients do work. It's the way how you use it. Eat healthy, eat a lot of salad, you know what I mean, a lot of vegetable. Don't use oil, use light spray oil and all these things. You still can cook your same chicken, beef, lamb, everything same way, but don't buy the one with the fat. When you buy mince at 5% fat and all those things. So it's gonna be a little bit more expensive, but it's for health wise. Alright, let's go into the business. No time to waste. Alright, Chewy, we're gonna make a drink from it today. Alright, lovely. So we're gonna put a little bit in the water like this, and a little bit in this one. Make it in the morning and put it down. That means when you come from work, you can have it to drink. You can use natural ginger, but I'm just going to be using a grounded ginger. Little bit of cinnamon. Give it a lovely mix. Put a little bit more of the turmeric. Get a lemon, squeeze it like this, just press on it and roll it. Once you do that, cut into half. It's got a lot of seeds, whole heap of seeds, but you know how to do our stuff. Squeeze half in this one and half in this one. Lovely. As I said, this can help you to lose weight and detox your body. Drink it one in the morning and one in the evening at night before you go to your bed. Give it a try, give it a go. Leave your comments in the description box. Tell me what do you think about this drink. It's amazing. A lot of people love it. A lot of people been using it. Turmeric, you can get the natural one, and also this is the grounded powder one. So enjoy it and subscribe. Leave your comments in the description box.